How to Clean Your Thoughts, a guide to mental clarity and inner peace. In today's fast-paced world, our minds often become cluttered with negative self-talk, stress, anxiety, and overwhelming information. Just like we clean our homes or bodies, our thoughts also need regular care and attention. Mental clarity isn't about suppressing thoughts, but about learning how to filter, manage, and realign them. Here's a practical guide on how to clean your thoughts and create space for healthier, more constructive mental patterns. 1. Recognize the mental clutter. The first step to mental cleanliness is awareness. Take a moment to reflect on your recurring thoughts. Are they mostly critical or kind? Do they loop around the same worries? Are you dwelling in the past or fixated on the future? Journaling for just 5 minutes a day can help you identify patterns and bring hidden mental noise to the surface. 2. Practice mindful breathing. Mindfulness is one of the most effective tools for mental clarity. Sit quietly and focus on your breath for a few minutes. When your thoughts drift, and they will, gently guide them back to the rhythm of your breathing. This simple practice anchors you to the present moment, reduces anxiety and overthinking, helps reset your mental state. 3. Challenge negative thoughts. Not all thoughts are true, helpful, or worth believing. When a negative or intrusive thought appears, ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or assumptions? Would I say this to a friend? What's a more balanced version of this thought? This cognitive technique, borrowed from cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, helps you replace distorted thinking with healthier perspectives. 4. Limit toxic input. What you consume affects how you think. If your mental space feels chaotic, it might be time to unfollow negative or drama-fueled social media accounts. Limit doom scrolling or sensational news. Be selective with who and what you give your attention to. Choose content and company that uplifts, educates, or inspires. 5. Declutter through expression. Letting thoughts out helps you clean them up. Express yourself through journaling. Write freely without judgment. Talking to someone, a friend, therapist, or coach can offer perspective. Creative outlets, art, music, or movement often help process thoughts non-verbally. Holding everything in can lead to mental stagnation. Letting it out creates flow. 6. Practice gratitude. Gratitude doesn't erase problems, but it shifts your focus toward what's working. Try listing 3 things you're grateful for every day. Over time, this habit rewires your brain to scan for positive experiences and perspectives. 7. Create mental white space. Just like a room feels better when it's not overcrowded, your mind needs empty moments. Take short walks without your phone. Sit in silence for a few minutes. Enjoy a cup of tea doing nothing else. Stillness gives your mind a chance to reset and invites clarity. Cleaning your thoughts is not about perfection or constant positivity. It's about developing awareness, gently letting go of what doesn't serve you, and making room for clarity, focus, and peace. Like any kind of hygiene, it requires consistency, but the rewards are worth it. A calmer mind, better decisions, and a deeper sense of control over your inner world. Follow me for more information about personal development and more. See you soon!